Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start by parking the car and disconnecting the battery negative terminal to prevent shorts. Wear gloves and eye protection before testing sensors on modern vehicles. Locate the sensor connector using the service manual or online diagrams for your specific model. Set your multimeter to DC volts for voltage tests and to ohms for resistance checks. Use a backprobe pin to access the signal wire while the connector remains plugged in. Record baseline readings like 0 to 5 volts or specified resistance ranges from the manual. Start with the sensor type and known pinout before powering the circuit or applying tests. For voltage sensors like TPS or MAF, backprobe the signal wire and measure DC voltage while moving throttle. Expect typical TPS values of 0, 5 to 4. 5 volts from idle to wide open throttle on most vehicles. For temperature sensors, remove the sensor and measure resistance in ohms at room temperature with the engine off. Use the manufacturer's table. Expect specific ohm readings like 500 ohms at 20. If a sensor shows no power or ground, clear wiring and fuse problems before replacing the sensor. A fluctuating signal or voltage that jumps erratically often indicates a failing sensor or intermittent connector. Compare live readings to known good values. Use a scope for noisy signals when available. Replace sensors like oxygen or MAP when output deviates by more than 25% from specification under test. Recheck after replacement. Clear codes and test drive while monitoring sensor values and fuel trims.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.